Welcome to my E250 stealth van conversion project, or as I like to call it, my slow descent into madness. Hopefully it ends up looking a little bit more like this, and less like this. Hashtag van life! Well, that's pretty good. Be sure to tune in regularly where I prove to myself and the world that I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Now, without further ado, the beast. What we have here is a 1995 E250 3/4 ton cargo van made by the lovely Ford Motor Corporation. It's got 289,000 miles, all of them by a little old lady who only took it to church on Sunday for 400 years. This bad boy is 212 inches long, 79.5 inches wide, and about 82 inches high. Weighs around 5,000 pounds. This one comes with a 5.8 liter Windsor V8 and a 4-speed transmission with overdrive. All the dents, scratches, and dings you see did not come stock. They were aftermarket accessories. Let's check this bad boy out, shall we? As you can see, this thing has definitely had its use. I believe it was used to install carpet cleaning, and Jabba the Hutt's personal bathroom. Let's get inside here. It's mostly all stripped out, so there's not a whole lot of work to do as far as removing things. It is just dirty though. A lot of little things that need to be replaced or fixed, like these seats. Probably need to get a cover for those. Missing little knobs here and there. Vent, radio doesn't work. Everything's dirty. Need to get some clips. Yeah, so definitely a used van. Another thing about this van is it's not very tall on the inside. I'm about 6 foot tall and I have to bend over quite a bit just to fit in here. So there's that. Let's go take a look at the engine. And more of the same. Dirty, 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 dirty. Well, I guess what we'll do next video is all the maintenance on it, all the fluids will be changed, so come and join me for next one. Thanks, see ya.